Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going over one of the questions from Energizing Physics Lesson 3. So in this question, it's asking for how much work John does after giving some initial conditions and final conditions. So what we're given at first is that the box, which is 40 kilograms, is moving with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Now, there are three forms of work that are being performed on the box, one being work by Eric, who is pushing the box, and then John, who is also pushing on the box but in the opposite direction, and also the work of friction. So we're given that the work of friction is equal to negative 155 joules. The work of Eric is equal to 400 joules. And what we're trying to find is how much work John does. So the key component to this question is recognizing that E1 plus work is equal to E2. So they don't provide E1 directly, but we can calculate E1 with the given information that there's velocity. So we know that there's KE. So KE1 is equal to 1/2 mv1 squared, which is equal to 1/2 40 times 2 squared, and this is equal to 80 joules. So we know that 80 plus the net work, which is composed of the work of friction, given as negative 155, plus the work of Eric, which is 400, plus the work of John, is equal to E2. And E2 is going to be KE. So KE2, which is equal to 1/2 mv2 squared. And it's given that V2 squared is, that V2 is 2.5. So KE2 is equal to 1/2 40 2.5 squared, which is equal to 125 joules. So now we have 80 minus 155 plus 400 plus work of John, which we're trying to find, is equal to 125. So we just do some math and we figure out that John performs negative 200 joules of work.